Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the resource discussed. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Zions Bank, specifically their website at https://www.zionsbank.com. Exploring a bank's website is a crucial first step for anyone considering their services, offering a glimpse into their offerings, accessibility, and overall user experience. Navigating a website like Zions Bank's can provide insights into the types of accounts they offer, from basic checking and savings to more complex investment options. Furthermore, the website often highlights the bank's digital tools and services, such as online banking, mobile apps, and bill pay features, giving potential customers a feel for how they might manage their finances on a daily basis. Beyond the practical aspects, a bank's online presence can also communicate their values and customer service philosophy. Look for information on community involvement, financial education resources, and customer support options. These details can paint a more complete picture of what it's like to be a customer of that institution. When exploring the Zions Bank website, pay attention to the clarity and organization of information. Is it easy to find what you're looking for? Does the site offer clear explanations of their products and services? These factors can significantly impact your overall banking experience. Remember, a well-designed website is often a reflection of a bank's commitment to providing a user-friendly and convenient experience for its customers. Consider also exploring features like branch and ATM locators, which can be particularly helpful for those new to an area or considering switching banks. Taking the time to thoroughly investigate a bank's website, like that of Zions Bank, is a worthwhile investment in making informed financial decisions. Finally, remember to compare what you find on Zions Bank's website with other banks to ensure you are getting the best fit for your financial needs. Look at fees, interest rates, and the range of services offered to make the most informed decision possible.